Oh yeah? How's this fucking, are you
Fucking
listening
people.
on internet list?
It's hard to get a good PC. We will get it, but our parents not gonna find good in it. They just don't think that games are better than boring normal life. Life is more fun when you play games. But at least we should have a better PC to play a good game with good FPS. Today in this video I will show you some steps that gonna help you to fix lag issues and stutter issues in your Windows PC. Might be thinking that I'm having a good PC and I haven't struggled hard. No, my parents are totally against it. Still somewhat I managed to get a good PC after a long struggle. First I used to play games in my low-end shitty laptop that can't even run GTA San Andreas properly. What I did is to learn all types of optimizations on Windows in order to make the particular games run on my laptop. Still didn't work out. After that I found an amazing setting which totally changed my laptop from worse to little better. I managed to play GTA Vice City, San Andreas and more games. If you have a low-end PC, then you must watch this video till end. I'm gonna show you what exactly I tried in my PC which my laptop got better in no time. Let's start the video.